Red. Go. Red. Go. Red. Go.
Okay, so you join me on my fantastic way to work. I'm riding to work this evening. I'm on my way down to Tooradin tomorrow, so nothing spectacular this evening. Let's go and get some fuel, then head into work. It's been a fabulous week in Melbourne. Except today. Today's been a bit ordinary for some reason. I'm not too sure why, but I think the next few days are supposed to be pretty good. So it's going to be a nice day for a bike meet tomorrow. It's the Vintage Japanese Motorcycle Owners Club meeting. They meet every Thursday at Tooradin. It's a bunch of older guys that have retired and older bikes. Some of the bikes down there are over 100 years old sometimes. It's absolutely amazing the restoration work they do. It's a good meet, it's not full of hoons, so if you're watching this and you fancy turning up thinking it's going to be your run-of-the-mill bike meet, stay away, because it's not. It's a good meet with a few good blokes. We meet up for a coffee and a bit of breakfast, and yeah, it's absolutely fantastic. So I'll take you there with me tomorrow morning on my way to work. However, I'm just going to get some fuel. I will stop off at the foreshore there, a whole 12 hours early for the meet. Grab myself a cup of coffee so I can get myself to work fully refreshed. Do my night shift. Have a couple of hours sleep at work. Jump back on the bike in the morning and head to the meet up with some friends. See if Shippo, Larry and Joe are down there. Go and say good day to those guys. Have a few hours down there, maybe some breakfast, another cup of coffee, and then I'll have to go back to bed and get some sleep ready for the following night. So anyway, I will take you on a bit of an adventure to the bike meet tomorrow morning. Beautiful. Alrighty, I'm off to work. I'll catch you guys in the morning. I will come back when there's a bit more going on. Oh, the joys of morning traffic. Good morning, everybody. Just signing on after a couple of hours sleep at work. Beginning a new day, the journey home in peak hour. Gotta love it. Oh, at least I'm moving faster than the traffic. So, on my way back to Tooradin, to the bike meet this morning. Stopping there for a couple of hours before going home, getting some more sleep, doing it all again tomorrow. Superb. Well, it's a bit of a cloudy morning. I'm sure it'll brighten up though. No rain forecast today, so hopefully everybody will be down there. It'll be a busy day. Absolutely gagging for a coffee right now, so I'll get to the bike meet. I'll take you with me when I get there. I'll grab myself a coffee. Hopefully we'll see some bikes come in. I'll do a bit of a walk around and show you what it's all about. Alright, I'll catch you back when I get to Tooradin. One old fella on his bike. Club plates. Not sure what that is at this point. Guess all alright. Looks like another Italian. A few already, that's alright. We'll get parked up, I'll get myself a cup of coffee from the cafe there, and I'll give you a bit of a walk through when there's a few more here. Well, as you can see, we've arrived at the Tooradin Vintage Motorcycle Club meet every Thursday morning. This is pretty much what happens. Everyone just comes down and has a chat for coffee. It's a really good crowd. If you're ever in the area and you fancy some vintage bikes and some old school bikes, come down and take a look. But like I said yesterday, it's not a rev bomb place. It's not a bike meet per se. It's just a group of friends get together. Best of all, I got my coffee. So starting to wake up a little bit again now. I'll have a bit more of a wander around a little bit later on. I'm sure there'll be a few more bikes turn up. It's still quite early yet. Usually runs from around about 10 AM to around about lunchtime. So like I say, if you're ever in the area, come down, say hello. Alright, I'll catch up with you soon. Quite a few more rolling in now. It's good turnout considering it's cloudy. battery's about to die on the camera. I think we'll have to get the other one in a minute. Old Indian. Thank you. I just want to follow it. It's beautiful, yeah. I bet. Alright, that's about it. I think my battery's almost dead in my camera, so I'll have to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed a little walk around the Tooradin Japanese vintage motorcycle club's Thursday meeting. Like I say, every Thursday. That's the Tooradin bike meet, all done and dusted. Pretty tired after my night shift, so I'm going to take off, head home, get some sleep, and then I will catch up with you guys on the next one, which will hopefully be the Great Ocean Road down to Apollo Bay overnight. We're jumping the ferry over from Sereno down to Queenscliff, taking a run down past Bells Beach. A childhood program of mine, Round the Twist. There's a famous Spit Point Lighthouse. I'll stop there where Round the Twist was filmed. And then yeah, just to run down to the Great Ocean Road, stop at a few scenic lookouts and have an overnighter in Apollo Bay and try something a little bit different. So, alright guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I'm still pretty new to all this vlogging stuff, so if there's anything that's shit, I'm sure I'll get better at it sooner or later. I'll just keep plugging along and hopefully you enjoy seeing what I see. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. And we're out of here.